Hello guys, pupunta po tayo ngayon sa ating NobleSure platform. Papakita ko po sa inyo how to withdraw from our NobleSure platform. First, I will open my account. Tuturo ko ngayon sa inyo how to withdraw. But before withdrawing, we have to attach our withdrawal address kung saan marireceive ninyo ang inyong withdrawal from NobleSure. Let me go to my OKX wallet to get my withdrawal address. So what you have to do is only click deposit crypto. Then we will send USDT. So click the USDT, and always from NobleSure, their network is always TRC20. So get your TRC20 wallet address. So it is copied already. Then let's go to our NobleSure. Then click this withdraw. Then press the withdraw account. Then add new. Then select the method. We will select USDT manual because we will transact manually. USDT to USDT. So you can see here on the vacant space, the wallet address that we copied from your address for me is OKX. So I will paste it here, and then it's already here. Then you will press add new withdraw account. Okay. So it is shown successfully withdraw account created. So let's go back to the withdraw dashboard. So I will click it again. Now I have to withdraw my 12, but this 12 should be transferred first. I know from profit wallet to main wallet. So let us transfer this first. From here, you have to go to wallet exchange. Okay, so you can see here it is shown a profit wallet has $12 US. We will transfer this one, 12. Then it will go to the main wallet, 12. So proceed to exchange. Okay. So successfully it was transferred. So let's go back. So you can see here it's already in the main wallet, $12. So let us go back to the withdraw button. Then we have to withdraw the amount, the $12. Okay, so let us click the withdraw money. Okay, oh, why it is account with required wait. Here, USDT to USDT, and then 12. You can see processing time will take about 5 minutes. So minimum withdrawal is always 10 USDT and maximum is 200,000 USDT. Wow. Okay, you can see here my wallet address already set up. So withdraw amount 12. There is no withdrawal fee, 00, and I will receive USDT also, crypto. So press this button now. Okay, so it is successful now. So wait for 5 minutes. And then later I will go to my OKX and I will show it to you. The withdrawal is successful. Okay guys. Ganyan lang po kadali ang mag-withdraw sa NobleSure. Okay, thank you very much.